17-year-old Nathaniel Simonton, his twin brother, Eli, and his dad loaded up supplies at Yeager Airport's Capital Jet Center. Nathaniel has his pilot's license and is a cadet first sergeant with the U.S. Marine Corps Junior ROTC. Now, that group at Sissonville has been busy since Tuesday collecting essential items like batteries, cleaning supplies, and diapers. He said they're trying to help people in rural areas that have been cut off since the storm or who are difficult to reach.
Take advantage of the opportunities you've gotten and help in every way you can. Whether it's donating items or taking them down there, I'd say take advantage of the opportunity.